Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. Happy Monday. I wanted to read you a great book today called What Pet Should I Get? Have you ever wanted a pet or couldn't decide? Well, Dr. Seuss wrote this one, and let's see what these kids decide to get. Any guesses before we begin? All right. Maybe you can look at the pictures and try to figure out a fish, a dog, a cat, a bird. All right. Let's see if what you think really happens. Okay, here we go. What Pet Should I Get? By Dr. Seuss. We want a pet. We want a pet. What kind of pet should we get? Oh my gosh. Dad said we could have one. Dad said he would pay. I went to the pet shop. I went there with Kay. I took one fast look. I saw a fine dog who shook hands. So we shook, and so I said, I want him. But then Kay saw a cat. She gave it a pat, and then she said, I want that. Then Kay said, now what do you think we should do? Dad said to pick one. We can't take home two. Oh, no. Then what do you know? We saw two other kinds. Now how could Kay and I make up our minds? A pup and a kitten? They look like so much fun. Now which one would we pick? We could only pick one. Make up your mind. The cat or the dog? The kitten? The pup? Oh boy, it is something to make a mind up. Then I looked all around and I saw something with wings. I said, look at him. We can pick that one that sings. But then, look over there, said my sister Kay. We can go home with a rabbit today. A rabbit. Then I looked at Kay and I said, what will we do? I like all the pets. So do you. We have to pick one pet and pick it out soon. You know Mother told us we have to be back by noon. And I could have done it. I could have, I bet. I could have said what pet we should get. But do you know what Kay did? Do you know what she did? She said, fish, 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 fish. It may be a fish. Is that the pet that we wish? Then I saw a new kind, and they were good too. How could I pick one? Now, what should we do? We could only pick one. That is what my dad said. But how could I make up my mind? That mind in my head. Make up your mind. Pick a pet fast. Pick one out soon. Mother and Dad, they said to be home by noon. The time may be now to make up my mind. But who knows what other good pets I might find. I might find a new one, a fast kind of thing, who would fly around my head on a string. Yes, that would be fun, but our house is so small, this thing on a string would bump into a wall. My mother, I know, would not like that at all. So maybe some other good kind of pet. Another kind is what we should get. We might find a new kind, a pet who is tall, a pet who fits into a space that is small. My mother might like that pet best of all. If we had a big tent, then we would be able to take home a yent. Dad would like us to have a good yent. But how do I know he would pay for a tent? So, you see how it is when we pick out a pet. How can you make up your mind what to get? But, what if we took one of each kind of pet? Then our house would be full of the pets we could get. No. Dad would be mad. We can only have one. If we do not choose, we will end up with none. I will do it right now. I will do it, I said. I will make up my mind. That is in my head. The dog or the rabbit, the fish or the cat. I picked out one fast. And that was that. All right, now can you believe that this is the end? The end. Dr. Seuss wants you to guess what's in there. He's not even going to tell you. So what do you think is in there? You have to tell me. Fish? Dog? Cat? Bird? All right. So that was for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a picture if you want to see Dr. Seuss, Ted or Theodore when he was little. That was his stuffed dog. And then this was when he was 6, and then when he was 10, he got his real dog Rex. And then he had a dog named Clooney and he had a lot of dogs. He loved animals. Dr. Seuss loved animals, and that was him. And that is the end. So thanks for listening, and I can't wait to read to you tomorrow or maybe later today. But look, go have a great day, okay? Thanks for listening. Bye.